There is comfort in the knowledge that hope's about its people too.